We need to pull the dinosaurs out of the mud and give them a bath. They need to be all clean. Into the water. Let's wash it off. Look, now it is clean. This is a Velociraptor. Can you say Velociraptor? It has sharp claws. Good job. Bye-bye, Velociraptor. Let's reach back into the mud. What is this? It feels very big. It is so messy. Let's clean it up. Splash. Shake it in the water. The mud is all gone. Wow, look at that big sail on its back. This is a Spinosaurus. Can you say Spinosaurus? See you later, Spinosaurus. Who is hiding in the mud now? Let's pull it out. Up, up, up. Oh my, this one is very dirty. Into the bath. Splash. Let's wash his face. Let's wash his tail. Shake it all about. All clean. Do you know who this is? This is a T-Rex, the Tyrannosaurus Rex. Look at those big teeth. He is the king of the dinosaurs. What sound does a T-Rex make? Roar! Very good. Splash! Bye-bye, T-Rex. Here it is. Look at that long neck. But it is too muddy to see. Let's wash him off. Wash the neck. Wash the legs. Nice and clean. This is a Brachiosaurus. He is very tall. Can you say Brachiosaurus? Bye-bye, Brachiosaurus. Let's reach back into the mud. Oh, this one feels hard and bumpy. It is very heavy and very muddy. Into the water. Splash. Wash, wash, wash. Shake it around. The mud is coming off. Wow, look at that armor. And look at that big tail. This is an Ankylosaurus. Can you say Ankylosaurus? Ankylosaurus has strong armor to protect himself. Bye-bye, Ankylosaurus. We washed all the dinosaurs. Which dinosaur was your favorite? The T-Rex, the Spinosaurus, or the Velociraptor? This is KinderPals TV. Thank you for watching.